Hi children, today we are going to look at punctuation. When you hear the word punctuation, what comes to your mind? Punctuation, full stop. Where do you use a full stop? We use a full stop at the end of a sentence. Today we look at the sentence that begins with a capital letter, but mainly be very alert in putting the full stop at the end. We look at the sentence, read the sentence, and put a full stop at the end. So today's exercise is the punctuation full stop we are going to look at together. Yes, it's very interesting exercise because you have to remember to put the punctuation full stop at the end of each sentence that you will write. Look at our first picture. Look. Who is this? Teacher. Yes, your teacher. Now let's look at what's on the board she's written. Teacher writes a sentence that provides information ends with a full stop. Read with me. A sentence that provides information ends with a full stop. And here is the full stop. So any sentence that provides information, it ends with a full stop. And it begins with the capital letter, good. So always remember, full stop at the end of any sentence. Good. Let's take another picture. Look. What animal is this? Camel. Where do you see the camel? You normally see the camel in the desert. His legs are modified to move in the sand. Let us read the sentence. Now, here's the full sentence here. Begins with a capital letter. Camel lives in a desert. Camel, that's the first word and begins with a capital letter. Camel lives in a desert. So the sentence is over. Where does the camel live? Camel lives in the desert, and here's the full stop. Ends with the full stop. So we have the full sentence here. Capital letter, full stop. Camel lives in a desert. So full sentence that makes sense. Begin with capital letter, ends with the full stop. Good. Let's take another picture. Look. What do we see here? A lovely, beautiful bird sitting in the nest. And there are eggs here. The birds build their nest. Who built their nest? Birds. Now, the bird. The capital letter, where the first word begins with the capital letter, and here ends with the full stop. We are doing the punctuation full stop in this exercise. The bird built their nest. Ends with the full stop. Little birdie, every bird builds her own nest, their own nest. Good. Let's take another picture. What are we doing today? Punctuation, full stop. Good. Look at this. Rice. You like to eat rice? Yes. Let's read. Rice is a staple food. The full sentence is here. Rice is the first word, begins with the capital letter. Food is the last word, and here we end with a full stop. Rice is a staple food. The full sentence is here, and the punctuation full stop is used correctly here. Rice is a staple food. Are you enjoying the exercise, children? Yes. Good. Let's take another picture. Look at the sentence. A colorful fish is here. Yes? We are doing punctuation full stop. For every sentence, it begins with a capital letter, ends with the full stop. Let's read together. Fish lives in water. Fish is the first word, so capital letter, fish. Fish lives in water. And here we end it with a full stop. Fish lives in water. Are you enjoying the exercise? Reading sentence, filling in with full stop. That's the punctuation we are looking at. Because it's a sentence, it also begins with a capital letter. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look. All the nuts are, you like to eat nuts? Yes, eat nuts and it'll keep you healthy. Nuts are healthy food. Nuts is the first word. It begins with a capital letter. Food is the last word. And here you have the punctuation full stop at the end of the sentence. Nuts are healthy food. Do you eat nuts? It will keep you healthy. Nuts are healthy food. All kinds of nuts you get. All the nuts, any kind of nut. Cashew nut and pista and whatnot. Yes, badam and all, any nut. Nuts has a lot of oil in it. So, nuts are healthy food. Capital letter, full stop. Good. Let's go on to another picture. Look. The little brown hen is sitting on her eggs. Yes? Read the sentence. Hens lay eggs. Hens lay eggs. Hen, that's the first word, begins with the capital letter, lay, egg, and you have a punctuation that is full stop. Full complete sentences here, begins with the capital letter, ends with the punctuation full stop. Hens lay eggs. Hens lay eggs. Good. Are you enjoying the exercise of putting punctuation full stop at the end of each sentence? Good. Let's take another picture. Look, here's a little boy, little baby, brushing the teeth very vigorously. Read the sentence. Brush your teeth. What does the baby say? Brush your teeth twice a day. Brush is the first word, begins with the capital letter, day is the last word, and here you have the punctuation, full stop at the end of the sentence. Brush your teeth twice a day. Do you brush twice a day? Both morning and night? Good. Brush your teeth twice a day, ends with the full stop. Good. Let's take another new sentence, a new picture. And look at the beginning of the sentence and end of the sentence. What do we see here? Huge building, a house. This is a huge house. This is a huge house. This, T capital letter, this is the first word. House is the last word, and there's a punctuation full stop at the end. This is a huge house. This is a huge house. The full sentence is there, begins with the capital letter, ends with the full stop, and we learn to read the sentence. This is a huge house. Let's go on to another sentence. A new picture too. What insect is sitting here? Yes, a spider. There's a lovely spider, gray spider on the leaf. A spider has 8 legs. A spider has 8 legs. A spider, a capital. After legs, you have full stop here. Punctuation, full stop is here. A Spider has 8 legs. Begins with capital letter, ends with the full stop. A spider has 8 legs. Have you counted its legs? Yes, good. 1, 2, 3, 4 on one side, 4 on the other. A spider has 8 legs. Lovely insect, isn't it? Good. Let's go on to another new sentence. Look at the picture here. Look. What is she doing? Watering the garden. She got a lovely can with her, and here she is watering. She is watering the plants. She. The first word is she, S capital, ends, plants is the last word, and we have the punctuation, full stop at the end. What is she doing? She is watering the plants. She got a water can here. She is watering the plants. The sentence is complete with the capital letter, with the full stop. The punctuation full stop is what we are looking at in this exercise. Let's go on to another picture. I hope you're enjoying the exercise. Look, here you have a squirrel. What does squirrel like to eat? Nut. Definitely like to crack a nut. Beautiful squirrel. Squirrel is eating a nut. Squirrel. First word, S capital, nut is the last word, and you have the punctuation, full stop at the end of the sentence. Squirrel is eating a nut. What is the squirrel eating? Squirrel is eating a nut. Let's take another picture. Are you enjoying the exercise, children? Good. Punctuation, full stop. Good. Now, look at her. Bright little girl. She loved to give speech. She gave a good speech. She gave a good speech. She is the first word, S capital, speech the last word, and punctuation, full stop. At the end we have placed. She gave a good speech. Are you enjoying the exercise? Looking at the complete sentence with a capital letter and punctuation, full stop at the end. She gave a good speech. Let's go on to a new picture. Snail. Where do you see snails? Go to your garden, you might find one. Some are tiny, some are big. Snail is a slow animal. Why? Snail carries its home at the back, a huge shell. Snail is a slow animal. Snail is the first word. S is the capital letter, begin the word. Snail begins with the capital letter. Animal is the last word. Punctuation, full stop. We place it at the end. Snail is a slow animal. The full sentence is complete with the full stop and begins with the capital letter. I hope you enjoyed this exercise. Shall we go on to a new picture? Look. Airplane. Airplane is flying in the sky. Where does the airplane fly? In the sky. Airplane is the first word, a capital letter. The last word is sky, and we use the punctuation, full stop at the end of the sentence. Capital letter, full stop. Airplane is flying in the sky. So we learn to read the sentence. We learn to look at write the sentence with the capital letter, end it with the full stop at the end. Good. I hope you enjoyed today's exercise.